Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will help fix CarPlay not working in your Dodge Charger. First, let's cover some basic checks. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked and updated to the latest iOS. A faulty USB cable is a common culprit, so try a new, MFI-certified one. Also, confirm CarPlay is enabled in your iPhone's screen time settings. These simple steps often resolve connectivity issues quickly. Next, let's look at your charger settings. A quick restart of the Uconnect system can often clear glitches. On your iPhone, go to CarPlay settings, forget your car, and then try reconnecting. Also, take a moment to inspect the USB port in your vehicle for any dust or debris that might be blocking the connection. A clean port is essential for a reliable link. Now, let's dive deeper into your iPhone settings. Sometimes, simply disabling and re-enabling Siri can refresh CarPlay's functionality. If that doesn't work, try resetting your iPhone's network settings. This often resolves underlying connectivity problems. Finally, double-check that there are no restrictions preventing CarPlay from operating correctly within your iPhone's general settings. If the issue persists, you might consider more advanced steps. As a last resort, a factory reset of your Uconnect system can resolve stubborn problems, but remember this will erase custom settings. Always consult your Dodge Charger's owner's manual for model-specific troubleshooting. If all else fails, reaching out to a Dodge dealership or Apple support is your best next step for expert help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.